Hello to all my friends out there. And so if you watch my videos today, you were probably wondering, what is she doing? Well, I was actually working, believe it or not. And what I'm doing is I'm getting ready for back to school and Christmas. And it's super hot here. In fact, right now, I am just so miserably hot. I have the air on, but it's very hot here. So what happened was I was going in and out. I was all over town. I was shopping. I was driving here. I was driving there. And so the first guy I ran into was living in his car. And you know, I've been doing the stealthy car living videos. And so now I can spot him a mile off. So I would suggest taking a look at those videos. I could see he was just leaning the car seat back, but it's very dangerous for you to sleep in the heat with your legs bent like that. Lots of bad things happened in the tanks in Iraq when their knees were bent for long periods of time. And then the second guy I ran into was McDonald's, you know, homeless. And so when I learn stuff, I try to put myself in that position and say, what would I do? And so then you guys saw what I did, and it was pretty darn crazy. So, okay, I bought this blouse, you know, for kids. I'll be selling this. And what I do is I shop around, and I, you know, just try to find one item at a time, preferably 2 items a day. And so I did. I found this shirt. I'll be selling this. And I found this Juicy Couture purse. Really, really cute. And I even got a little matching coin purse to go with it. Okay, now for dinner. Okay, I made apricot pork chops, which worked out perfect because I had half a package of dry apricots. And so let me show you my creation. If I can. Okay, and so one of the things you can get cheap is pork chops. You know, 10 pounds pork chops, 10 pounds chicken, and 10 pounds hamburger, you know? So, okay, so what I did is I dusted my pork chops with flour and I fried them on both sides. Let's see now if I'm able to get this out. I fried them on both sides in some oil. You know, I dusted with flour. And then, oh, this is coming out just fine. And then what's good is the rice. If you serve it with rice, remember the chicken and rice and beans will, okay, let me show you a shot. Now this is going to be good. This really is. This is apricot pork chops. So, okay, I mixed 1 can chicken soup. I had this in the stockpile. A half a cup sour cream. I had some. I didn't put it out here. And then it calls for green onions, but I just use about a tablespoon of chives. I'm going to write this under messages. And so then I put it on the pork chops. I covered it, and I cooked it on top of the stove, and I kept flipping the pork chops, you know, to get them done. And so then, just before the pork chops were done, I made cooked fruit with my dried apricots. And then I put the cooked fruit and the rice on, I put the cooked fruit on top of the pork chops, and then I put the rice in. And then, you know, I have some green beans that I bought. Oh, I wish I wouldn't have done that. Well, you know, like when circumstances are adverse, like it's hot, you're miserable, you say, how can I even work in this heat? Well, from years of doing hair, what I would do is force myself to do it anyway. And I got a lot done in the last week during this miserable heat. A lot. And people always say, how do you do it? Well, I never let up. I want to make mention about the some Marilyn Monroe shirt. You want to know something kind of interesting about Marilyn Monroe? She didn't wear much jewelry, if you notice. and I was watching her makeup video, and she only wore half of a false eyelash because supposedly it makes your eyes look wider. So I set mine back a little bit tonight, and it was very wacky. I got them glued all out of whack, but I thought, well, you know, there's a reason. Okay, now let me show you my jewelry. I sell these little, this is a little a natural pink quartz bracelet, and this one is green jade. I sell these. So, you know, this tea is good. You really got to try this. Walmart. A little cold tea can help. Okay, now let me taste my creation. And I will tell you. One thing about making the pork chops this way, where I'll put a little. When you put the, you know, the soup or the gravy, the soup or the gravy on top, and then you slowly cook it. Okay, so now let me show you. Apricot pork chops. It's very hot. It's very hot. It smells good. I think that's one of the best pork chop things I've ever made. Just scroll down for the cooked fruit, but how I made it is I just put the dried apricots, or you can use canned, or you can use fresh, in a pan, covered it with water, and I only used about a tablespoon sugar, and I cooked it down and mashed it with a fork, and I didn't add any lemon juice. And so that is, and this makes a lot. So what I will do is I will freeze the rest. And you know, I forgot to show you the inside of this purse. The cutest thing sometimes, when I inspect the stuff, I inspect the inside. I want to see if it's all messed up and dirty, and this one's not. It's new. And it's very cute because, and I will sell, see it has the little J's. This is a good demonstration. See the little J? And then the zipper inside has one, a little one too. So this is nothing but cute. And so what will happen is I will try to sell everything on my my eBay store, and if it doesn't sell, I will pile it in my trunk and I will unload it at the swap meet, you know, sometime before the end of the year. So okay, you guys, God bless you all.